All right, let's jump into the daily and weekly trade recap here on June 9th, again, Friday afternoon. Good week for us in the Income Navigator portfolio. We are up $4,007 on the week. Take a quick look before we jump into the individual trades. Take a quick look where we are. We're going to be adding the 411. We'll go through today's trades. Our delta's 77, still super low, all as close to delta neutral as you can get. Theta up a bit today. We added a few trades, $701 or 701 on the theta, 0.25%, still low, but we're working on it. Net leg jumped up a little bit more today, 276. So right now in the last 10 trading days or so, we're up a little over $13,000 so far. The last couple weeks, we made $4,000 this week. Last week, $1,740. The week before, $1,554. So in the last 3 weeks, we're up a little over $7,000 in realized gains and about $13,000 overall. BPUs jumped up a little bit today as we added some bigger trades, preparing ourselves if there's any bit of a pullback coming. So we are up a little high on BPUs. We'll see if that drops off next week as we move around. So there's where the portfolio stands right now. Let's get into today's trades. And again, $411 for the week, ending 6/9, or for the day, I should say, ending 6/9. First trade was a losing trade that we had on. Coin looked to be on a great trajectory, great internals, everything on May 30th. We put on a call butterfly, which again is a low risk, high reward trade. Anyway, we ended up letting that thing expire today. It made it up into the nice trap, and then the news from the SEC came out and pretty much knocked us back. It started inching back, but just couldn't make it there. So this one expired today. We were in the trade 10 days, lost $122. Not terrible on it, just poor timing. And the SEC announcement coming out. However, 3 winning trades on the day. First one was an Amazon covered call. It goes against our synthetic stock position that we have on. We made $243 this week on this particular trade. We sold the 129 calls, and the pullback on Amazon here expired worthless after 7 days in trade. So 100% return on that one. So another good win on the Amazon portfolio. It's still up nicely for the week, and the covered call expired for full profit. So all good stuff on there. In fact, we put a new covered call on today for next Friday, and that one was already up 50% in the premium at one point in time. So that's looking pretty good. We had another SPY leap put expire today. This one was put on May 30th. For $5.99. Closed out for, again, a 30% winner, which is our strategy. Took only 10 days this time to get to that 5.5% return on margin. So doing really well on these. We've closed an absolute boatload of these trades. This week alone, I think this week, if I look back, we've closed 3 on SPY this week alone, and then last week we closed 4. So we've closed 7 trades this month already for almost $1,400 on SPY leaps, which is a nice little passive type of trade that we put on every Monday. We also closed a 0 DTE put spread that we put on. We did not open this at the open. We really haven't done any 0 DTE trades in a couple of weeks now, as far as the opening type trades or traditional 0 DTE strategies. However, saw a chance for the market to move higher intraday based on the technicals and the 3-minute chart. So I threw on a put spread at $1.10. I did the 42.90, 42.80, 10 wide. We put that in at I don't know what time this afternoon, but in 26 minutes, we were out of that trade for a 50% winner. 6.2% return on margin, $110 to the good. So again, overall for the week, $411 on the day, $4,007 on the week. Another great week. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Have a great weekend, and I hope you've enjoyed these trades. If you like it, go ahead and click that likes button and go ahead and subscribe, and we'll get more info out to you as we post a lot more strategies and such coming forward. We got some really cool stuff coming out. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend.